You're listening to the Scene and Solve podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So this is a hero product. Tell us about a time when one of your customers was able to use this maybe to help them get through a difficulty they were having with either some of their project they were using.
So we worked with an applicator that they basically manufacture different types of braze tubes for different hydraulic applications. So they had a change in their supply where they switched the lubricants that they were using to a stearate-based lubricant, and the cleaners that they were using were not really going after it. I mean, they were trying higher concentrations, higher temperatures, and they still weren't able to fully remove it, which was then impacting their subsequent application where they were going into a phosphating application. So we looked at it and we kind of identified where the problem areas were. And so we ended up implementing this cleaner into their line, and they were able to, with high heat and concentration, fully kind of remove all that lubricant from the surface of the part.
The Scene and Solve podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.